guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Miniso makeup removal towel. So let's get started. So guys, this is a makeup removal towel that I got from Miniso for rupees 250. What it has two towels in it. One is a light baby pink color and one is slightly more darker than pink. Dark pink basically. So guys, what you have to do is just wet the towel in water and just try to remove the makeup in circular motion. What I'm going to do is wet the towel and again remove it with a circular motion. Then I'll go over with micellar water to see whether it removes the makeup fully or not. So guys, this is the baby pink towel. Size of the towel is this. Oh my god, it's super soft, like baby towel. But I'm not gonna use this baby pink one first because it is pretty and I think it will be hard to clean, but I think this will be better to clean, so I'm gonna use the darker towel. So yeah guys, this is 100% polyester if you are curious to know. So what it says, it is easy to use, environmental friendly, economical. Obviously it's economical if it is rupees for 250 and you get two towels and you don't have to go and buy separately a micellar water or a cotton pad. Just do not apply excess force, like do not scratch your face. It can cause irritation or redness around your face. Do not bleach this. So guys, I have this water with me, bowl of water, and I'm going to dip this inside. So guys, first I'm going to remove half of my face and then show it to you guys. And I have removed all of my lipstick, sorry for that. So guys, it did remove my makeup. So guys, it removed my makeup. I have not used this before. This is my first time and I'm shocked. So guys, as you can see the difference, it did get rid of all of my makeup, but there is still a bit of sparkle. You can't see in this camera, just tiny chunks of sparkle of glitter left, and a little bit of kajal is still remaining. It's not getting removed with that, but other than that, it did get removed all of my makeup, foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, mascara, whatnot. I'm gonna be mentioning all of the products that I have used on my face, so you can see what I applied on my face. So I'm gonna be removing makeup on the other side of my face too. Also guys, I'm gonna be mentioning down in the description box below whether it cleans all the way through or not, either with detergent or liquid soap, liquid powder, liquid detergent or not. It will be down in the description box below if you are curious to know whether it get rid of the makeup from the towel or not. Now guys, what I'm going to do is just take two cotton pads and little bit of micellar water and just pipe it. Okay guys, it did not, that makeup removal towel did not get rid of all of my makeup, but with most of the makeup, but still there is some of the foundation left. Let me see whether the kajal gets removed or not, and mascara obviously. Okay guys, it a little bit of kajal did came out, but not. So guys, my final verdict on this Miniso makeup removal towel is definitely buy this. It is a super affordable makeup remover towel. What you can do is add a micellar water on this towel and then remove all your makeup. So in that case, not all your in that case the most of the makeup will get removed, but yes, you do have to double cleanse, go over with face wash after using this towel. If you use minimal makeup, that is a little bit of BB cream, normal lipstick, even liquid lipstick, and a little bit of liner or kajal, it will get rid of that. It just did not get rid of all of my foundation. Guys, this is my fault. I should have given it one more chance to remove all my makeup like from the other side, which is clean. But yeah, if you are wearing full coverage foundation, go over with my go pour the micellar water on this towel and then get rid of that makeup. But yeah, do not forget to double cleanse, that is absolutely necessary. Also guys, you can't find this towel online. I got it from the Miniso store near my house from Karol Bagh. You can find it at Karol Bagh, and there are I think 14 to 15 different Miniso in Delhi, so you can go and check it out. Also guys, if there is any other update on this towel, I'll be mentioning it down in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So guys, that is it for today. Hope you liked my review on Miniso makeup removal towel. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, it will mean the world to me. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye, take care.